So this is the chatting app I made. So I just explained the functionality how actually this app won. And if I open the VS Code, you can see my server is running now. Okay. So first I can shut down. First I can shut down my server. Okay. And then I can clear the terminal, and then I can run my Python script. Okay. So that's how my server is starting now. And in this server you can see the IP addresses, so that I can use this chatting app as a local host, and also I can use this chatting app in all mobiles, okay, in which is connected to same Wi-Fi, means local area network, so that I have to access my laptop IP address if I use secure tunneling or Cloudflare tunnel, so that I can host this chatting app in the internet also, okay, so that anyone can use this chatting app. Okay, so that's the another topic. First I can demonstrate how it actually works. So after landing page, you can see your username here. Okay, first if I refresh this page, first this website, see the username is nothing. Okay, so there was two sections, one is private chat, one is public chat. First I can demonstrate the public chat. Open the private. Also, if you land in this page and already in your local area network some public chat is here, so there is the preview box which you can see the last public message also, and if you want to open the public chat or join the public chat. So this time I register the username as PC. How he take the username from cache. If I host this website in incognito mode, then again it's going to ask for the enter the username, and if I click, so now he want to ask my username, so I username AIS, enter. So you can see AIX is joined, and if I okay, so mobile, I also entered the username before in this mobile also. Okay, so three mobiles are connected. If I just type hi and enter, so you can see the message is sent from my laptop, and the message is received from first mobile with the username and time tag. Okay, this is very important for track which message and when, and you can also see the active users in there, and you also request any user for private chat also. Okay, this is the actual feature for my website. So I can use this, and if I go to the home page again, and you can create a private channel. So I can demonstrate this. I also click the home button, and this is see the PC left public and OS left public. Okay, so only online user is mobile, means that this device in the public group. So if I create a private channel, there was a token, no token is generated. So if I create a new token is generated there. If I click OK, so here is the new token, and there was a button for copy and join channel. Okay, also you can remove this token. I just join a private channel, and here the token is also see, because those devices are publicly connected, locally connected. Okay, so I just copy and share via any devices, just click the join button, and if I click the join, so this is the private channel is created. Okay, and now I can send any message, so you can see the message is sent, but this device not receive any private, not see any channels. Okay, okay, so this is the thing. And again I just go to the home, and again I go to the home. Okay, I obviously update this project so that I can minimize the private chat, and you can allow to access the public chat, and then if you want, so again you continue the public chat in future. Okay, so now I go to the public chat and open the public chat also here. Okay, so joined again, and if I send a request to this device name is mobile. Okay, so send a request, send a private request to mobile. Okay, enter the token you use, auto generated. Okay, if I click the OK, and there was a message, OIS invite you to private chat, token number auto generated, accept or denied. If I OK, so automatically I accept this and click OK, and mobile accept your private. Okay, so I directly change to the private chat, and this piece is still in the public chat, and see mobile is left, OIS is left, because these two mobiles are joined now in private chat. And if I send hi private, so now you can see, and if because of a private token is generated, anyone join a private channel, if I click in the computer, there was another token is created, so the token number is 58, so this one. So if I join this channel, so also see PC joined this token. So now if I send hello, so you can see this is continue. Okay, if you want, so you can so if you want, so you, if I want actually, so I can also hide this token from all devices, so that which device I want, so this device only see the tokens, otherwise all local devices connected in the same network can easily join any private chat. Okay, so this is the complete thing. Actually this project is demonstrate the token based authentication. Okay, so in this repository, land token chat, in this repository you can see the actual project is main project concept. If you click to the link, you can change to the actual repository which give me the idea to create this chat app. The project is token based authentication. Okay, so this is the complete thing. Okay, so thank you.